So today we are making some hangers for my cords in the shop. I have a couple extension cords and a couple of air cords that just are hanging around and don't really have a place. So what we did is that we cut out these, we go ahead and clean them up, bend them up. I'll show you guys that process. Like I said, I have the swag off road press brake, but I only use it if we're like doing production building, bending stuff, and we're doing like heavy material. Usually when it's thinner steel, I just put these relief cuts in, and then that does the trick for it. So I'll go ahead and clean these up, and I'll show you the final product. So I want you guys to take a look at this. Always consider how you're cutting something, because typically what I'll do is that the top layer or the top of the sheet that I'm cutting, typically I'll make it to work where the logo works with it being at the top of the sheet, because it comes out cleaner on that side. Usually the back side of the plasma cut has a little dross, and I mean, it is what it is, it'll clean up, but as you can see here, it's definitely not as clean as the back side, or the front side, top side. It's for the shop, so if it was for a customer, I'd definitely do this over, but it's just a hose hanger, so I'm not really worried about it. But just always consider that the top side is probably going to be cleaner even after grinding than the back side is. So we're going to go ahead and bend these up, and I'll show you exactly how I do that. I mean, it's pretty simple, so we'll see how it goes. So it's really that easy. Since this is 18-gauge steel, you can just bend it, line it up with the side of the table, since this table is completely square. And it comes out pretty good. You see what I was talking about on the back side? That ended up being the top side once we bench everything up. So it's there, but it doesn't look as clean as I'd like it to look. But it is what it is. Like I said, it's not that important. It's not for a customer, it's for us. So, but it looks pretty good. So I'll go ahead and bend it here. So there they are. Pretty quick little job here. Didn't take much time at all. I think maybe 15-20 minutes. I already had a file for this because I made some garden hose hangers for my house. So I put a little rose on them just as a design. My grandfather loved roses and he passed away, so I just wanted something to remember him by. So I have one in the back of the house, one in the front of the house, and I designed this initially with that. I just changed the logo to the Intuitive Fabrication logo, and this is the outcome. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang these up. So that's a quick and dirty one. Taking the air hose here and the extension cord that I use for the table. I really got to find a better setup for this, because I hate just pulling it out to get the bang and stuff like that. But we'll see what we do with it in the future. This is a quick and dirty one, just giving you guys a little bit of content for now. But these things are super useful. If anybody needs this file, let me know. No problem sending it over. See you next time.